Ganda ng portfolio mo.
Thank you.
Can you tell me more about your previous job?
During my 3-year stay sa previous company ko, I was able to streamline several processes and have aided their implementations. This was done by upskilling.
Galing naman. Ka muna,
Thank you. Well, I do take pride in being hardworking and confident.
Paano yung hardworking? Patingin. Hardworking nga. Yung confident. Confident. With a heart pa. Conflict management will be such an important competency in your role as a supervisor. Can you tell me how you're able to manage conflicts before? Bigyan kita eksena. HR office, hearing. Rigor! Si Tanggol! I think all good naman tayo, but before we give you the job offer, we'd just like to let you know that we are going to be requiring you to be here in the office at least twice a week. Magiging hybrid setup na kasi tayo. Carry lang po, kasi meron naman akong Grab Unlimited subscription na ngayon, meron ng Grab car discounts every day. At eto pa, free delivery sa Grab Food every day. Laking tipid kasi 48 pesos lang per month ang annual subscription. Alright, here is the job offer. Just read through it and let me know if there are confusing jargons. Jargons? Pinapanood ko yan ngayon eh. House of the Jargon! Hala, akala ko yan yung cartoons. How to Train Your Jargon!
I just dropped the pleasantries. I know that. Look, spill it. Yes, to apply for the second batch of the Ayuda. That wench. How did she qualify for the first one and we did not? My dear, that is a grave accusation. But go on. Really? Well, I suppose having a sugar daddy isn't only a thing for the younger generation anymore. Oh, here she comes. Tessie, I see that you went for a little shopping.
Good morning, Ma'am Joyce. Parang iba ang ganda mo today ah.
Pwede ba, Aljon, ang aga-aga? Kilala ko na yung pagkatao mo, babali ka lang.
Pakasungit naman. Parang di mo crush yung elementary tayo ah.
Di nga pwede. Ikarga mo na nga itong mga sako ng semento.
Good morning.
Good morning, foreman. Anong kailangan mo?
Tas pag yan, may good morning.
Joyce, meron ba kayong one-part epoxy?
Ayaw mo ba ng one part of me?
I'll let your body decide if this is good enough for you. Already pouring it for you.
Meron. Ilan?
Nice, 5 gallon please.
Ba't ang konti?
Maliit na project lang to. Bagong kasal. Papatayo ng bahay.
Yung atin. Kailan mo itatayo?
Nais ko sanang ika'y ayain sa panghabang buhay na...
Galing ha? Parang nitong mga huling projects ko, parang kompleto na kayo dito ng mga materials na kailangan ko
Ako kasi kukumpleto ng life mo.
Pwede mong titigan dahan-dahan. Palapit yung katawan sa tagin nito. Matampi na parang tubig na...
Oo, mas kompleto na talaga dito ngayon kasi nito lang nakapag-expand ako ng hardware sa tulong ng BDO Multi-Purpose Loan. Naku, ang laking tulong nito sa aming mga small and medium-sized enterprises. Gaya ng pag-expand ng business, pagbili ng bagong equipment, dagdag inventory, or manpower. Apply lang sa any BDO branch. Learn more about Multi-Purpose Loan here.
Kaya pala booming ang business, saka blooming ang tindera.
Nino na bang gusto ko sa'yo ka lang pagkat di ako sa'yo wala ka ng pakialam kung bakit naging ganito sa maraming dahilan.
Sige, refer ko kayo sa iba pang mga contractors.
May kailangan ka pa ba?
Wala na.
Ako meron. Aljon, lagari ka ba?
Kasi lagari ako magtrabaho.
Gusto mo lagariin kita? Trabaho ka nga doon. Uy, B, sumali pala ako ng run club. Okay, fitness. So, sumali nga ako ng run club. In her skinny era. Mayroon nga kami this Saturday.
Skinny core.
By the way, nabayaran ko na yung utilities, ha?
Mother.
Pati yung rent.
Honestly, slay.
Kaya sa sahod, send mo sa akin yung hati mo sa mga yon.
It's giving financial stability.
Serve.
Okay, Crunchy.
It's the new Jollibee Crunchy Chicken Sandwich. Crunchy, tasty, sarap in every bite.
Charap. Ano yung sa'yo, ate?
It's the Jollibee Chicken Sandwich Supreme. Supreme! Large, crunchy, and juicy chicken thigh filet sandwiched between buttery brioche buns.
Literally ate and left no crumbs.
Concerns were raised about your email sign-off. Maybe we can try something more warm and welcoming. It can be very generic, like best regards or sincerely yours. Yours kasi is, please let me know if you have any questions. Nagbabanta, Carmela. You started a petition na palitan ang concessionaires natin sa cafeteria because according to you, their food is giving mekus. Can you elaborate on that? When last month's ranking came out, I think you did such a good job congratulating our top-performing colleague. You sent out a reply all email, quote-unquote, "Congratulations team at Ivy Pineda, slay, devoured, ate and left no crumbs." Whatever that was, I think that's vaguely positive. But my issue is, in that same email, you also mentioned yung nasa bottom ng ranking. At Marge Santos, Yas Queen, go girl, give us nothing. She filed for a 3-day vacation leave nung nabasa niya yon. A facility request form na ibinalik sa atin ni facility because hindi daw nila maintindihan yung request mo. You wrote, "Kuya, masyugalability mag-load ang projector sa function room 2. Paayos. Thanks. Love you." Here is a CCTV footage of you dancing on top of your workstation. Si Aljon, one of our security guard, you know who I'm talking about. He told me if you girls could stop calling him daddy. Hindi daw kasama sa protocol nila ang mang-headlock. Take care on your way out. Dun ka sa far away. Is that how you say it? No, I'm still not your Mima. And don't call me ante either. That's even worse.
Ay, girl, andito na yung rider ko. Mauna na ako, alis na ako, ha?
Ate, susulat ka ate ha, magpakatatag ka, mag-ingat ka doon.
Okay, magkikita talaga tayo bukas. Bye-bye na. Bye-bye. Hi mo kay tita. Hoy, daanan mo ako bukas.
Here's your order,
Ayan,
ma'am.
Thank
you
you
so
Parang
much.
ang sarap. Ay. May buhok.
Sorry, ma'am. Kunin ko na lang po
Sino
ulit.
siya? Mas maganda ba siya sa akin? Mas bata? Mas sexy?
Lu,
Sumagot ka! 14 na taon, Louie. Tinapon mo lahat ng yun. Huwag na huwag mong aasahan, makikita mo pa ang mga bata. Manluloko! Manluloko ka! Manluloko
ma'am, sorry. Ano
ako.
pong nangyayari?
Panoorin mo.
Scene. Papalitan na lang natin, kuya.
Okay po. Sorry po ulit.
may baliw sa table 9.
Diba yun? Parang yun yung best mo so far. Uy, girl, alam mo ba, kumuha na ako ng life insurance.
Ate, nagpapaalam ka ba? Ate, bakit may nararamdaman ka ba, ate? Bakit hindi ko to alam? Ang bata-bata mo pa, breadwinner ka, ate. Over naman sa slap.
Eh, so for OA mo kasi, di porket kumuha ng life insurance, tegi na agad. Kuya, bill out. Hindi yun ganun, girl. Kinuha ko yung akin from BDO Life bilang plan B. Alam mo yon, parang safety net, just in case may mangyari sa akin, maaksidente ako, magkasakit, biglang kunin ni Lord. Eh, lalo na't sabi mo nga, breadwinner ako. At least, kahit may mangyari sa akin, eh, di tuloy ang buhay ng pamilya ko. Eh, di kukuha na din pala ako, kasi breadwinner din naman ako ng pamilya. Paano ba yan? Dali lang, punta ka lang sa BDO branch, may mga BDO Life Financial Advisors doon. Cash payment kami, ha?
Kahit saan?
Oo, lahat ng branches nga meron. Thank you so much. Pero pwede ka naman pumunta din sa website muna nila para magpa-quote. Ay, halalok, ang ganda nito, ate.
Ay ma'am, may mga naka-sale po niyan up to 50% off. Eto ma'am, tignan niyo po dito.
Sabihin mo sa akin, ate. Mukha ba akong may problema sa pera?
Halika nga dito.
Aray! Aray!